So the National Training is a 2-day comprehensive training program for safety trainers and managers in paratransit and school transportation industry. And it's really an opportunity to get a group of professionals together to both learn from each other and their experiences, but also from our experiences as the securement equipment manufacturer and our over 50 years of combined experience between Q'Strain and Sherlock. So the way the day starts out, we start out by reviewing all the regulations and best practices that sort of formed the securement principles and securement equipment that they're using today. We then do a plant tour, get to meet with some of the engineers and do some background on how our products design and get some design ideas from our customers and what ways that products can better serve their passengers and make their passengers safer. We go out to a nice dinner that night with a chance to interact with members of the company. And on the second day, we move from the easy to the difficult. And we bring in 10 to 12 of the most difficult to secure wheelchairs we can find, and we talk about ways to problem solve on those chairs to make their passengers safe. It's really a combination of transportation professionals learning best practices from each other, while us providing them with securement equipment and difficult chairs to practice on to address really their major concerns they have in transportation. And ultimately, at the end of the day, it's both of us coming together to make sure their passengers are safer. We can't solve every problem that they're going to encounter with every chair they're going to transport, but I think we try and equip them with a base of skills, knowledge, and material that they can bring back to their agencies so that they're better equipped to problem solve on whatever difficult situation with whatever difficult to secure wheelchair they encounter. And so it's that being able to think through and troubleshoot difficult situations that I think they really leave here with and can apply to the situations they encounter on a daily basis. I like to think the training is a two-way street. So they come and learn the manufacturer principles, the regulations from us, the way our equipment's designed and how it's supposed to be used. And we learn sort of the tribal knowledge of what it's like on a daily basis and what kind of issues they encounter. And when the training works best, it's a chance for us to both learn from each other, and that can help us develop training tools and products in the future to address their concerns. And it can also help them learn from each other and best practices that other agencies might be using that they can take back and apply to their own particular agency.